Hello everyone. Welcome back to another lecture on reasoning ability and problem solving. In today's lecture, we will discuss some practice questions from coding and decoding. So let us begin. Now, before we start solving the questions, let us look at all the four concepts that we have already discussed in previous lectures, which will be used for solving questions on coding and decoding. The first concept is of forward rank. What is forward rank? Forward rank basically means when you assign increasing numbers from A to Z. That means if these are your alphabets, you assign each alphabet one number in increasing order. So A is 1, B is 2, C is 3 until Z is 26. So this is your forward rank. We have a shortcut to remember forward rank which we have discussed multiple times, which is called EJOTI, where E represents 5, J represents 10, O represents 15, T represents 20 and Y represents 25. So this is the shortcut to remember forward ranks. Then we have a concept of backward ranks. So backward ranks, as the name suggests, it is opposite of forward rank. That means now we are assigning numbers in decreasing order. So where A is 26, B is 25, C is 24 until Z is 1. So when we assign them number in decreasing order, it is called backward rank. Okay, and one more concept is that sum of forward rank and backward rank is always 27. Correct? So if you are given forward rank of certain alphabet and you have to find the backward rank, you can simply subtract it from 27 to get the forward rank. Similarly, if you need to find the backward rank of an alphabet, you can simply subtract the forward rank from 27 to get the backward rank. Okay, then we had a concept of opposite letters. Opposite letters basically means that the alphabets are arranged in a certain manner, so they get into pair of 2. So we get 13 pairs. These are called your opposite letters. So if I have to write them in a manner, for example, I am writing it over here. Okay, so I am writing them in a specific manner. So I will start from A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. These are my 13 alphabets, first 13 alphabets. 13 alphabets are remaining. So I will write them like this: N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So when I write them like this, we get pairs. We get 13 pairs. These are the pairs of opposite letters. So if I have to say, A and Z will be a pair of opposite letter. B and Y, C and X are opposite letters. Similarly, D and W, E and V, F and U, G and T, H and S, I and R, J, Q, K, P, L, O, M and N. This is P. Okay, so these are your opposite letters, 13 pair of opposite letters. Then we have a fourth concept of looping. So looping is basically, since we do not have any alphabet after Z, okay, we have X, Y, Z, and we do not have any alphabet after Z. So what if we have to move 2 positions after Z? We will start again from A, B, C. So if I have to move 2 positions forward from Z, I will go to A and then to B. This is the concept of looping. Similarly, if I have to go 3 positions back from C, we do not have any alphabet before A. So it will be 1, 2 and 3. I will go back to Z. This is the concept of looping. These 4 concepts are important, and with the help of these 4 concepts, we can solve any question on coding and decoding. Okay, so let us start with question number 1. Question number 1 says, in a certain language, inactive is written as Wittgenai. Okay, we have to find how computer will be written in that same code. Now, I have told you, whenever you see similar letters, like the alphabets are same, correct? The alphabets have not changed. When alphabets are same, we consider the possibility of rearrangement. That means these letters have been arranged in a particular pattern to get the code. So I will write them one below the other. So inactive will be written as, this is the code, VITCANIE. Okay, this is how it is written. Now I can see TIV, VIT, Similarly, AC, and then I can see NI, and E is remaining at the same place. So now I can see these three position have been changed. They are written in opposite letters. Correct? They are written in reverse order. In reverse order except for E. Except for the last word, they are written in reverse order. So VITCANI. This is written in reverse order except for E. So now I will see for computer. Computer R will remain in the same place and everything else will be written in reverse order. Correct? R will retain in the same place and this will be written in reverse order. So if I write it in reverse, it will be E, T, U, P, M, O, C, and then we'll get R. Correct? E, T, U, P, M, O, C, and R. This will be the code. So the first letters except the last letter is written in reverse order. The last letter does not change its place and everything else is written in reverse order. So following the same pattern, I got my code, which is ETUPMOCR, and this is given in option number 2. So option number 2 will be the correct answer to this question. Clear? Moving on to question number 2. Question number 2, in a certain language, thanks is written as SKNTHA. How is stupid written in that code language? Now I can see similar letters, correct? I can see thanks and this word has similar letters. So I am assuming that this is also a case of rearrangement, correct? So I will write them one below the others. THANKS is written as SKNTHA. Correct? This is written as like this. So I can see S, or if I give them numbers, okay, I'm giving them numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here the corresponding numbers are 6, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3. It is 6, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3. So if I look at stupid now, so I have to find the code for stupid. STUPID. I am assigning them numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now the numbers will be written in this order only. This will be the order following the same pattern. So it will be 6, 5, 4, 1, 2, 3. So at 6 we have D. At 5 we have I. At 4 we have P. Correct? 1 we have S. 2 we have T. And at third position we have U. So the code will be DIPSTU, and this is given in which option? This is given in option number 4. So option number 4 will be the correct answer to this question. Clear? Now, moving on to question number 3. Question number 3, in a certain code language, spider is written as this. We have to find how common will be written in that same language. So again, I can see similar letters, spider and PSDIRE. They have similar letters. So again, I am assuming this is a case of rearrangement. Okay, this is a case of rearrangement. So SPIDER. It is written as PSDIRE. So again, I will assign the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the numbers are P is basically 2, S is 1, okay, D is 4, I is 3, R is 6, and E is 5. So basically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is rearranged as 2, 1, 4, 3, 6, 4. Sorry, 2, 1, 4, 3, 6, 5. It is rearranged like this. So I will do the same thing for common. First, I'm going to assign them numbers. So numbers will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct? And now we will write them in this order. So this order is 2, 1, 4, 3, 6, 5. So if I write them like this, it will be O. At first position, we have C. Fourth position, we have M. Third position also, we have M. Sixth position, we have N. And fifth position, we have O. So it will be O, C, M, M, N, O. And OCMMNO is given in which option? It is given in option number 2. So option number 2 will be the correct answer of this question. Clear? Question number 4. Question number 4 says, in a certain code, certain is coded as this word. Sequence is coded as this word. We have to find out how mundane will be coded. Now I can see that the letters are different. Over here we have CERTAIN and over here we have XVIGZRM. So now the words are different. If you know the concept of opposite letters, very clearly I can see that C and X are opposite letters. Similarly, E and V are opposite letters. So let me write the opposite letters for you. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M. Correct? Then we will start again from N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y and Z. These are your pairs of opposite letters, 13 pairs. So C and X. C and X are opposite letters, correct? E and V. E and V are opposite letters. R and I. R and I are opposite letters. T and G. So T and G are opposite letters. A, Z, definitely opposite letters. I, R. So I, R again opposite letters. N and M are also opposite letters. So these are all opposite letters. So we will check same thing for sequence. S, E, S and H. So S and H are opposite letters. E and V are opposite letters. Q and J. So Q, J are opposite letters. Then we have U and F. So U and F are also opposite letters. E, V opposite letters. N, M opposite letters. C, X are opposite letters and E and V are opposite letters. So these are basically coded in opposite letters. So we'll do the same thing for mundane. So what is the opposite letter for M? N. What is the opposite letter for U? F. What is the opposite letter for N? M. What is the opposite letter for D? For D it is W. Correct? What is the opposite letter for A? Z. For N it is M and for E it is V. So the code we will get will be NFMW ZMV. NFMW ZMV. This is given in option number 2. So option number 2 will be the correct answer to this question. Clear? That is why it is important to know these 4 concepts. If you know opposite letters, just by looking over here, I could see that they are pair of opposite letters. Okay? Moving on to question number 5. In a certain code language, routine is written as VMRGFLI. So codes have changed, right? Codes have changed. So I am assuming this is a case of forward ranks or backward ranks. We will check. Okay? And how will cruelty be written in that code? We have to find out how cruelty will be written in that code. So now if I see routine, ROUTINE. This is coded as VMR, G, F, L and I. Correct? If I write the forward codes, I am writing the forward codes. It is a forward ranks. Basically, this is 18, this is 15. Do you remember the shortcut? AJOT. E is 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25. So O is 15, U is 21, T is 20, I is 9, N is 14, E is 5. Similarly, V is 22, M is how much? M is 13, R is 18, G is how much? G is 7, F is how much? F is 6, L is 12 and I is 9. So now let me see the changes. If I see the changes, 8 to 22 plus 4. O to M, this is minus 2. Correct? This is plus 4, this is minus 2. This is minus 3. Correct? From 20 to 7 I'm going. This is minus 13. From 9 to 6 is minus 1. From 14 to L is minus 2. Sorry, this is minus 3. This is minus 2. And this is plus 4. So now if I see a pattern, it is plus 4, minus 2, minus 3, minus 13, minus 3, minus 2 and plus 4. This is the pattern. Correct? So now let me try and do the same thing for cruelty. So CRUELTY. C is 3, R is 18, U is 21, E is 5, L is 12, T is 20 and Y is 25. Correct? If I go plus 4, I'll get 7, which is G. If I go minus 2, I'll get 16, which is P. Correct? If I go -3, I will get 19. 19 is S, correct? Sorry, -3, I'll get 18. 18 is R, correct? Then over here, -13 I have to go. So if I go -13, basically from E. So I will go in loop. I will go back to loop. So let me write the letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So from E, I'm going -13. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. I will get R. I will get R. Correct? Which is at the 18th place. Then over here, I'll go again -3. -3, if I go, I'll go to 9th position, which is 9th position. We have I. Correct? Then over here, T, I'll go -2. So I'll go to 18, which is again R. And over here, I'll go +4. So from Y, if I move +4, from Y, if I move +4, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, which is C, which is at the 3rd position. So the code will be G, P, R, R, I, R, C. And I don't see any option starting with G. So answer will be option number 4, none of these. Clear? Answer will be option number 4, none of these. Okay, moving on to question number 6. In a certain code language, flower is coded as this. How is terminal coded in that same language? Again, this is a concept of opposite letters. So let me write the letters. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are your pair of opposite letters. Now, if I look over here, F and U. F and U are opposite letters, correct? L and O. L and O are opposite letters. Similarly, O, L, same concept. W, D. So W and D are opposite letters, pair of opposite letters. E and V are pair of opposite letters. And R and I are a pair of opposite letters. Correct? These are your opposite letters. So we will do the same thing for terminal. Opposite letter for T is G. So the first will be G. First only I can eliminate option number 1, 3 and 4. Answer will be option number 2, G, V, I, N, R, M, Z, O, because there is no other option. Correct? This is your elimination approach. This is the approach that you should follow in your exams. In exams, you should not solve the entire question. If you can get your answer just by solving, let's say, one word, just go for it, mark it and move to the next question, because this saves time. But let us complete this question, okay? So E is opposite to V, so we will get V. R is opposite to I, so we will get I. M is opposite to which one? N, so we will get N. I is again opposite to R. N is opposite to M. A is opposite to Z, correct? And L is opposite to O. So, this will be my code, which is given in option number 2. Okay, this will be your answer. Moving on to question number 7. Certain code language come at once is written like this. We have to find what is the same code, which of the following will be coded as OK. So now if I look over here, how many alphabets do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 alphabets we have. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 code. Correct? So each alphabet has one code. If I look over here, C and X, are they a pair of opposite letters? Yes. Let me write them. 1, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. So C and X are opposite letters. O, L. O, L are basically opposite letters, right? Let us check from here. N and let's say the last third one will be M. These are your opposite letters. E, V. These are your opposite letters. That means the code is basically opposite letters like before. Correct? So if we have to find the code for OK, we have to look at the opposite letters. What is the opposite letter for O? It is L. And what is the opposite letter for K? It is P. So the code will be LP, which is given in option number 4. So option number 4 will be the correct answer to this question. Clear? Moving on to question number 8. In this question, omnipresent is written as this, and we have to find how credibility be written in that code. So if I write the code for omnipresent, OMNIPRESENT, this is coded as QJONPTSMDRD. Correct? Now, if I look at these 5 words and these 5 words, I can clearly see this one is basically written in reverse order. So if I write them in reverse order, it will be PINMO, correct? And if I write this in reverse order, it will be TNESE. And this will remain the same, which is R. So now can I see a pattern? From P to Q is +1. I to J +1, N to O +1, M to N +1, and O to P +1. So these 5 letters are basically moving +1. Then over here from R to T, R is 18, T is 20. So this one is moving +2. And this one is T to S, N to M, E to D, S to R, and E to D. This is -1. So the first 5 letters are moving 1 position forward. The middle letter is moving 2 position forward. And the last 5 letters are moving 1 position backward. So we'll do the same thing for credibility. Correct? So credibility first, these 5 letters will be written in reverse order. So it will be IDERC. Then B will remain the same. And then these 5 will be written in reverse order. So Y, T, I, L, and I. Correct? This will be the code. Now if I give them ranks, so this one, the middle one will be +2. So I will get D. Over here it will be +1. So from I we will move to J, from D to E, E to F, R to S, and C to D. So it will be G, E, F, S, D, D. Correct? Now over here we have to go -1. So -1 from Y will be X, from S, from over here will be H, K, and H. So this will be my code, which is JEFSDDXSHKH. And this is given in which option? This is given in option number 3. So option number 3 will be the correct answer to this question. Okay. Moving on to question number 9. Question number 9, in a certain code language, hand is written as this. We have to find the code for milk. So hand, basically, it is written as SZMW. If you remember opposite letters, H and S are opposite letter, A and Z are opposite letter, N, M are opposite letter, and D and W are opposite letter. So now I will find the opposite letter for milk. M opposite letter will be N, I opposite letter is R, L opposite letter is O, correct? And K opposite letter is basically P. So the code will be NROP, and this is given in which option? Option number 3. So option number 3 will be the correct answer to this question. Clear? Now, question number 10. Mother is coded like this. We have to find the code for answer. Now, MOTHER is coded as ONHURF. So 3 letters I can see remain the same. These one, okay, this one, and this one. They remain the same. Now, M to N is +1. T to U is +1, and E to F in +1. So that means they are moving in a crisscross manner. So we will do the same thing for answer, correct? First thing will be that the second position will remain the same, so N. Then the fourth position will remain the same, so W. And then R position will remain the same. So we will get N, W, R fixed. Then over here it will be +1, so B, correct? Over here +1, so T. And over here +1, so F. This will be my code, which is NBWTRF, and this is given in option number 4. So option number 4 will be the correct answer to this question. So this concludes today's lecture. Thank you.